Hello everyone! Today we are going to look at a short video showcasing a new feature in Phoca Cart. Under the European Union Consumer Rights Directive, specifically Directive 2011/83 EU, online stores need to provide customers with a simple way to exercise their right of withdrawal. This means customers must have an easy-to-use button to cancel their purchase. In the Phoca Cart settings, you have full control over this feature. You can easily turn it on or off, set exactly how long the withdrawal button remains visible to the customer, and determine when that time limit starts counting. You can also define which order status will be applied once a cancellation is requested, and you even have the option to exclude specific groups, like business-to-business customers, from this feature. The process itself is very straightforward. A customer places an order in your shop. Then, when they view their order list, they will see a cancellation button available for the specific time period you configured. If they choose to cancel, the order status automatically changes, and an email notification is immediately sent to the vendor, so you can step in and handle the situation. Naturally, the customer will also receive a confirmation email regarding their canceled order. And that is all for today. We have just seen how Phoca Cart makes it easy to comply with European Union directives.